If you're an audio pro, you need the best gear. Let's dive into JBL Professional Speakers, brought to you by Nectar Infosystems. First up, the JBL PRX800 Series, perfect for those high-performance, portable PA needs. With Wi-Fi control and differential drive technology, these speakers offer powerful sound and low distortion, plus they're built tough. Next, the JBL EON615 Series. Talk about flexibility with waveguide technology for consistent sound and Bluetooth integration for easy streaming. These speakers are ready for anything. Now let's get serious with the JBL RX800 Series. Ideal for live events, these speakers provide high power output and advanced high-QNet network control, rugged and reliable. Finally, the JBL VTX Series, the ultimate in professional sound reinforcement for large-scale applications. With D2 dual diaphragm compression drivers and patented differential drive technology, these speakers deliver unmatched power and clarity. So whether it's a concert, studio, or corporate event, JBL Professional Speakers by Nectar Infosystems are your go-to choice. You sound like a pro with JBL.